In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch meme coins on Pumpfun. If you want to create a meme coin on Solana quickly, Pump.fun is designed to make that process simple. Instead of setting up a liquidity pool manually, your token begins trading right away on a bonding curve after launch. That makes this a popular option for fast token creation, but it also means you should prepare everything carefully before you click the final button. To get started, the first thing you need is a Solana-compatible wallet. Common options include Phantom or Backpack. Make sure your wallet is funded with some SOL before you begin, because you'll need enough to cover the launch fee, and possibly a little extra if you plan to make any initial purchases afterward. It's always a good idea to keep a small buffer in your wallet so you don't run into failed transactions. Once your wallet is ready, go to the official Pump.fun create page and connect your wallet. As always, make sure you are on the correct official site before approving anything. After the wallet is connected, you'll be taken to the coin creation form where you can start entering your project details. Now fill out the basic token information. You'll need to enter your coin's name, your ticker symbol, and a short description. Keep these simple and clear because this is part of how people will identify your project. The ticker should be easy to recognize, and the description should quickly communicate the idea or theme behind the meme coin. Next, upload your visual. This can be a square image, a logo, or a meme image that represents the project. Take your time here because this visual is important for branding and recognition. More importantly, make sure it is exactly what you want to use since it cannot be changed after the coin is launched. After that, add your social links. You can include your project's Twitter, Telegram, and website. This helps give your coin a more complete presence and gives people a place to learn more or follow updates. Before moving on, double check that each link is correct and leads to the right destination. Finally, when everything looks good, click Create Coin and approve the transaction in your wallet. The minting and deployment fee is typically around 0.02 to 0.05 SOL. Once the transaction is confirmed, your meme coin is launched and ready to begin trading on Pump.fun. And that's the full process. Prepare your wallet, connect it, enter your token details, upload your image, add your social links, and confirm the fee to launch your coin.